This is Jeremiah getting some independence at breakfast time. Notice that he likes to use his hands a lot. What do you see? I see it. Where's your nose, Jeremiah? Where's your nose? This is the camera. Uh-huh. Hey, at least I'm trying to give him some eating independence. He's just gonna do his own thing, I guess. Use your spoon. Use your spoon. That one. Right there. Oh, buddy. Here, use your spoon. Use your spoon? God bless you. Oh, goodness. Oh. Jeremiah, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sweet boy. Say Merry Christmas. I don't know if you can say that.
Bye-bye.
All gone. All right, buddy. Merry Christmas.